In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Telegram for business. So let's get straight into the video. There are a lot of different things you can go ahead and do in Telegram business. So the first thing you want to do is create a Telegram business account. You want to sign up with your business number or use an existing account. Then what you can do is you can set up your business profile. You can have your business name, your business ads, about your business, and even your links to your websites. Then you can create a channel for your business. Channels are perfect for broadcasting updates to unlimited subscribers. So you can organize with folders and chat categories as well, like customers, partners, important, unread, and many, many more. You can also use pinned messages and announcements in your channel. So pin important messages so new members can see the key info first. You can also automate with Telegram bots. You can ask the bots for auto replies, FAQs, lead capture, and many, many more. And you can also engage your audience with polls and quizzes if you want to. For example, what content do you want next, and many, many more. You can also use your Telegram group for communities. You can build a community, answer questions, and create a stronger relationship. And you can also share media files and voice messages. Finally, you can track your performance and grow your channel. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.